Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford Focus SE. Coming in this nice gold coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera. We got the lovely Focus and SE logo back here, mud flaps on the rear, some nice looking rims on this vehicle with some nice blacked out trim, heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, and move to the front real quick, we got that lovely Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always handy. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get your normal storage below with your spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, little cargo cubby hole. We have floor mats, carpet interior, some storage back here, plenty of door space in the back as well, and plenty of room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your lights right here, trunk, parking brake right there, hood opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 162,490 kilometers. We do get this lovely leather-wrapped steering wheel that's also going to be heated. Got your volume, playback, play forward, phone, voice, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can go for trip 1. Come on, girl. Trip 2, information, settings, all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select, 12-volt parking brake cup holders. Storage here as well, some outlets, aux, 12-volt, more storage here with another USB sync, heated front seats with your climate controls right here, storage below, and we got our nice little infotainment system here. We got a number keypad, CD, media, radio with AM, FM, all that jazz, media for your Bluetooth, menu, so all your sync applications, and you just use these little toggles here to go through your different settings, SiriusXM, hazards, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GA82352B, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.